This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable message requests on the X app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the X app. To enable or disable message requests, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper left hand corner up to the little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then you'll go down just a little ways to where you see it says Privacy and Safety. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Then you'll scroll down a little ways and you'll tap on Direct Messages. And right up top here, allow message requests from no one, verified users, or everyone. You could toggle on any one of those. If you wanted to receive message requests from nobody, you would toggle on that top one. If you wanted to receive message requests from anybody, you would toggle on everybody. That is how to enable or disable message requests on the X app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.